Toxins are everywhere. They are in the exhaust fumes from the vehicles when you travel to work. They are there in your shaving gel or in your makeup, unless you have selected these products with care. Toxins are there in your water that you shower with. Your food contains toxins like additives, hormones, and preservatives, unless you buy them organic. Some common examples are processed meats loaded with nitrites, trans fatty acids found in fast foods, or mercury in your fish, and heavy metals in your protein supplements like lead and cadmium. Our body works very hard to detoxify these harmful toxins, but because the exposure has dramatically increased in the past few decades, our organs cannot cope up and they start to become sluggish and overburdened. Over time, we start to experience certain symptoms that I've discussed in the previous video. Here they are again. Look at them carefully. If you have more yeses, then you have a higher toxic load. Don't worry, the aim of this course is to lower the number of yeses in just 11 days. Following the Fab Detox Diet for the next 11 days will certainly lower the level of toxins that you have in your body, and you will start to feel great. You will provide certain key nutrients that will support your detox organs, that will purge out the toxins from your fat tissues and out of your system through your kidneys and colon. In the next video, I will discuss how detox might be the missing link in your quest to losing weight.